Today, I'm going to share my review of Senpex Courier, an AI-powered logistics platform that focuses on demand and same day deliveries for both businesses and individuals. On the surface, it promises speed, convenience, and flexibility, but as with many gig platforms, the experience can look very different depending on whether you're a customer or a driver. Let's start with the customer side. Sempex highlights same day and on demand delivery, making it easy to ship items of all sizes quickly. Thanks to its AI powered route optimization, the company claims a median delivery time of about 55 minutes, which is impressive. Customers also appreciate the option of contactless delivery, which adds a layer of safety and security when transporting packages. Overall, for businesses and individuals who need fast logistics, the platform's efficiency and personalization are definite strengths. Now, let's talk about the driver perspective, which is where reviews get more mixed. Many drivers like the flexibility since the platform allows you to work as an independent contractor and set your own schedule. Some even report decent earnings when orders are consistent. However, there are recurring complaints about work availability. Delivery offers often appear for just seconds before being taken by other drivers, leaving many struggling to secure jobs. There are also troubling reports of payment issues, with some drivers experiencing delays or even missing payments altogether. A few Glassdoor reviews mention bank information being flagged as unverified without a clear explanation. On top of that, drivers have expressed frustration with unresponsive support, especially when trying to resolve payment or account related problems. Overall, Senpex is a technology driven courier solution that seems reliable for customers but inconsistent for drivers. If you're considering working with them, go in with realistic expectations about job availability and payment reliability. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews.